In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you exactly how to get Tinder Gold for completely free, meaning that you can now see who likes you, get unlimited likes, as well as unlimited rewinds and a free boost per month. So make sure you guys watch this video all the way to the very end, because if you don't, you will miss out on the very important steps, and let's just get right into it. My name is Xavier, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to get Tinder Gold for completely free. On top of that, if you stick till the end of this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how I've 10x'd my matches on Tinder, going from 2 matches a week to literally 10 matches a week, without changing literally anything. So make sure you guys stick till the end of the video and make sure not to skip around, because every single one of these steps are as important as the last one. So don't skip around in this video. Watch it all the way to the end. Put it in 1.5x speed if you got something to do. But with that all being said, we're just going to get right into it. So I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate the method right here on my phone for getting Tinder Premium, so you can see exactly who likes you for completely free. The first thing you guys are going to want to do is that you're going to want to go to the App Store right here, and you're going to want to search up CashApp. Once you guys search up CashApp, you're going to want to go ahead and hit that download button right there. After that, and you guys go ahead and create your CashApp account, all you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to the top right up here, scroll the way down, and go to where it says enter referral code. The code you guys are going to want to enter is going to be JKR1LGR. My editor is going to go ahead and put it on screen right here. You guys can also go ahead and put in this code while you are signing up for CashApp, or you could also sign up for CashApp with the link I'm going to go ahead and include in the description down below. However, keep in mind, for the method of work to get some free instant money is that you need to go ahead and send someone $5 by linking a bank account, and then you will get that free $5. You can go ahead and send me that $5. I'll refund you. I'm going to go ahead and include my CashTag in the description down below, so you guys can go ahead and get that $5 for free. But if I go over here, as you guys can see, all of these people right here have gotten the free $5, and I've refunded the vast majority of them. As you guys can see, this guy right here used this method and got a free $5 for doing literally nothing. So make sure after you guys get the Cash App invite bonus, you go ahead and get the cash card. That is going to be the second most important part of this method. And the reason why you're going to want to do that is because we're going to use the cash card to get Tinder Premium for completely free. So what I would recommend is doing the Cash App invite bonus method, like I've already shown you, at least 3 times to go ahead and make yourself a free $15. So send $5 to me, I'll refund it. Send $5 to me, I'll refund it. Send $5 to me, I'll refund it. And then take those $5 that you got from 2 of those accounts and move that to your first account, and then go ahead and get the Cash App card for that. Once you guys do that and you go ahead and get back on Tinder, what I would recommend is, if you're looking for the subscriptions, is I would actually recommend the Tinder Plus plan. I prefer this one because it gives me what I actually want, which is the passport and the unlimited likes. Those are the 2 things that I think are the most useful here on Tinder. You can get the Tinder Gold to see who likes you if you really feel the need for it. However, keep in mind with Tinder is I've created accounts before, which I'll explain my account creation method in a second, where I'll get 11 matches in one day. Well, I'll get 11 likes in one day from women, and then 10 of them I'll match with, but Tinder will leave that last one. Tinder does that intentionally so that you stay on the app. What I would recommend is going with the cheaper option, because honestly, seeing who likes you is not that useful. What I will say is useful is the boosts. The 1 free boost per month that you get from Tinder Platinum is actually pretty good, or you could just buy boosts. And I would suggest only boosting your account after 8 p.m. So boost your account at 8 p.m. your time, and then wait for them to come to you and get like a bunch of matches and then get a bunch of likes. But keep in mind, Tinder will always leave 1 left. So it's kind of just like, if you really want to spend the money, then okay, then you can spend the money and take that. But what I would advise is instead just not even treating these matches as real people. This person here that I'm seeing right here, she's kind of cute, but she's not real, right? She's not real until she's in person in front of me. That's my philosophy. So I don't see these girls as like real people until I'm actually talking to them, because it's weird to see someone that you see online as a real person, even though you've never met them. That's a weird thing, period. Like, if you think I'm a real person, you shouldn't. I could be AI. You have no idea. I'm not, but you could think, but I might be. And you have no idea how I'm actually like. So you shouldn't think I'm your friend. You shouldn't think that people that you don't know, specifically people that you haven't met, IRL, face-to-face, or at least talk to, voice call, specifically, they're not real people until you actually talk to them. So the next thing I would advise, if you want to get 10 matches in a day, is number one, you got to take a nice looking shirtless picture. So I have this shirtless picture of me. And then I also have this shirtless picture of me at the gym where I got like my hand over my dick. And then I have another shirtless picture that I'm split testing right now to see if it works or not, where I have like a towel over my dick and I'm like in my bathroom and I'm like flexing and I'm like, ugh, right? And I got like the jawline posted and I'm like that. Like that looks good. Like smile a bit in the picture, be like, I have a really bad tooth smile, but just like that. Like that looks good. And then like, reason why you want to do that is because the jawline will then show, turn left and like show the jawline, make sure you're clean shaven or like your hair looks good. Like I wouldn't take a picture right now because I look like a disheveled homeless man compared to when I took these pictures. And then when you delete your account is the first thing you're going to want to do. So if you have a Tinder account right now, my biggest advice is just delete it. You can do that by going to the profile here, going to the settings, and then scrolling all the way down to where it says delete account. Just hit delete account. Don't even think about it, and then just create an entirely new account with the same everything. You can do that, right? Tinder will not ban you. That's not against TOS. You can do it as much as you want. I could create an account on my computer. I could create an account on my second phone. I could create 10 different accounts on my computer. I could hire a PA to message every single one of the girls and pay for Tinder Premium on every single one of them and get Passport on every single one of them. And then have like 4 different accounts going where they're always right swiping and they're DMing every single girl and trying to book them for the same day. I could do that. I'm not, but I could. I would advise just deleting your account, and the reason why is because when you create a new account, Tinder wants to give you a good experience. They want to push you at the front of the leaderboard because they want to show off you so you stick around on the app. The first time I did this, I literally got 11 likes and 10 matches within 6 hours, right? Which is 5 times the amount of matches I would get in a month. I'd usually get 2 matches in a month, and I use the same pictures. Well, I didn't use the same picture. And I changed the pictures was number one. I also changed what I wanted, and I changed some stuff about my bio, which I'll explain in a second. And then I deleted my account. Well, I deleted my account, and then I changed all that. And then I got 11 likes on the same day with 10 of those are matches. Tinder wants to impress you. The second thing I would do is that once you create your entirely new account, I would left swipe on all of these girls. So I would just left swipe a bunch. I'd look at them, post through their pictures. Fuck, she's hot. And then I just left swipe, not interested, 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 interested, but not interested, right? And then I would close out of the app and I would leave it there for 24 hours. Or at least a day, or at least half a day, or whatever. And then I would come back, and I would just dislike the hottest of the hot girls. Be very, very selective. And then when you do that, Tinder will be like, oh, okay, this is a guy who wants the best of the best, so we're going to give him the best of the best. Manipulate Tinder into giving you what you actually want. And then finally, I would specify exactly what you're looking for in your bio. So for me, I'm just looking for easy sex. So I put right here that my real name is Gibson, but I just have my account name as G. So I was like, my name isn't G, but you can call me Daddy. So there you go. I mean, like, if you're a bitch, I think it's pretty, like if you're a girl, I think it's pretty obvious what I'm looking for, right? I'm not looking for a long-term shit. I'm just looking to slam someone down and cook them dinner and then get them out of my house. That's what I'm looking for. And there's most girls, especially my age, want that, right? So that's what I want, and if that's what they want, then they should be down, but they should be knowing what they're getting into. I don't want any girls on here that are looking for me to be like their long term. I'm not interested in finding my wife on Tinder. I'm interested in slamming down some girls on Tinder. That's what I want. I don't care about the long-term relationship right now. I'm not interested. And I would specify that in your bio. Be like write something funny that will make them swipe. I like that one, the one I just said, because what'll happen is that they'll like you and then they'll DM you, like you personally, like they'll reach out to you and you won't have to text them. Hey, what's your name? Right? And then you could do like a bunch of stuff. You could be like, you don't need to know my real name. You can just keep calling me Daddy. Or I could just be like, yeah, my name's Gibson, but you shouldn't care because the only thing you're going to be able to call me is Daddy by the time I'm done with you. Like something like that, right? Where it's just like an obvious like spitting like sex game. It's like, and just like send like maximum like 3 of those texts and then don't let her divert the conversation. Like, don't let her fuck up the conversation, because she's gonna then be like, oh, well, what do you do? Just don't say that. Just be like, autistically, oh, you want to meet up for drinks. Just be like autism with it. And then what real G's will do is that they will, I've done this before as well, is they will book all of the dates on the same day. So I have a day picked out every single one of the, like, usually most days out of the week, where it's like, I don't work out, like I don't go to the gym and I don't do MMA. So I'll be like, okay, this is like Friday, right? It's like, I'm gonna book these 5 dates on Friday, because I know for a fact at least 3, maybe 2 of them are gonna flake out, and then those girls are gone. I'm not even gonna pay attention to them anymore. Remember, these are not real people until you meet them. And then you text the other 2 that don't flake, and you pick which one you like more. And then the one that you dislike more, you be like, hey, sorry, I can't make it tonight. Just boom. There you go. Sorry, I can't do it tonight. That's all you say. And then what's gonna happen is she's gonna get more interested in you, because she's already like almost getting ready. So you want to do this like an hour before the date, and it's like 5 o'clock, because then she's like starting to put her makeup on, and then you like DM her and you tell her, no, it's not gonna work out this week. And she'll get more interested in you. Trust me, some of the best nights I've had in terms of just like girls going crazy are when they will reach out. Well, is when I will like turn them down and then like bring them back the next week, where it's like, okay, you want to, like, sorry about that, but I can do next Friday, right? Or like on Friday specifically, which is what I did. On Friday, I texted her, I was like, meet tonight. And then she pulled up like that. And let me tell you, that was a good night. So that's my advice for Tinder Gang. That's also my advice on how to get Tinder Premium for completely free. If you liked today's video, click on this one right here before you do anything else. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a good day.